Hello, my friends from all over the world. Today I will introduce the vending machine motherboard 606 to everyone. This is 5-inch monitor with a control board on the back. Here is power input DC 24 voltage. This one is MDB Interface. Then here is keyboard interface, and this blank button, the setting button, and this line L, motor positive pole, C, motor negative pole, and motor feedback. Now let's demonstrate the operation. Press the set button to enter the background. This one here. Set button. Okay, you can see the menu. Set stock, set price, and check the sale. Also the equipment depots. If there are any changes, you need to return to the start screen. Wait for 20 seconds and automatically save. For example, now we will set the stock. First one, set capacity. First one, channel 1. The capacity 10. Okay, then set stock 1. Stock is 6. Okay, then you can see the details. The first channel capacity is 10 and stock is 6, and also we need to set the price setting, set single price. The first one, price is 2 RMB. Okay, now you can see, check it. Price list. The first one is 2 RMB. After you see it, you need to back to the start screen, waiting for 20 seconds. Then it will save automatically. And this time we can check it. The first one, okay, the price is 2 yuan. Now we can insert the bill, the cash, or the coins. Maybe this one. Okay, 1 yuan. Second. Yuan. So now you can press OK to buy. Like this one. Yeah, that's all. Also, you can find more information from the menu. For example, test motor. Test motor. Test all the motors or one motor or one deck. For example, test one motor. First one. Yeah, that's okay. Then you can test two. Because no wires, no motor, so it will be failure. And from the force menu, you can see more information about the beer acceptor or colon acceptor. Okay, here beer. Okay. This is brand is ITL. The status is okay. These are the information about beer acceptor. Here you can set the night, start time and end time. This right where is set the date and time. Setting option. Here check the version. Okay, now the board supports mainstream MDB bill acceptors and cone dispensers, but not card readers or POS machine. We also have various vending machine accessories. Welcome to inquiry.